China is rapidly expanding something the world once believed would remain scarce: large stealth fleets. New data reveals that the J-20 and J-35 programs have scaled far beyond early expectations, producing aircraft at a rate unmatched in modern aviation. This video explores how China suddenly accelerated into high-volume stealth manufacturing, why these advanced platforms matter for long-range operations, and what this shift means for air power, maritime presence, and the future of global defense technology. Let's break down the transformation now unfolding. China's most significant aerospace development in recent years is not a single aircraft or a new engine. It is the emergence of high-rate stealth production. For decades, stealth fighters were treated as rare assets that only a few nations could produce at scale. That assumption is now being rewritten. Verified reports indicate that China has already deployed over 300 J-20 units, making it the largest fifth-generation fleet outside the United States. Even more surprising is the pace. Open-source intelligence suggests an annual output of around 100 to 120 J-20s, a rate no other country has matched for stealth platforms. This shift reflects a bigger change within China's aerospace ecosystem. The industrial base supporting the Chengdu J-20 and Shenyang J-35 has expanded to include advanced composites, indigenous low-observable coatings, and a more mature engine supply chain. The transition to domestically developed power plants, especially improvements to the WS-10 and the introduction of the WS-15, has reduced the dependency on foreign components, enabling faster, uninterrupted production cycles. This is what allows assembly lines to keep moving at a steady rhythm rather than pausing for imported parts or technical retrofits. Parallel to the J-20's growth is the rise of the J-35, a carrier-capable stealth aircraft designed around flexible maritime operations. China has already produced more than 57 J-35 airframes, with estimates projecting 70 to 100 units per year once all lines reach full capacity. Unlike earlier carrier aircraft that required foreign inspiration or imported technologies, the J-35's development represents a shift towards self-sustaining naval aviation. It features folding wings, catapult-compatible landing gear, and low-profile airframe shaping, enabling it to operate for modern carriers such as the Fujian. Why does this scale matter so much? Modern air and maritime presence rely on persistent availability, meaning an aircraft must be ready, deployed, and maintained across long distances and long durations. When the number of stealth jets grows into the hundreds, it enables multiple operational groups to rotate seamlessly without placing strain on a single unit. This supports broader missions such as patrol, reconnaissance integration, long-distance routing, and regional readiness. Most importantly, the expansion marks a transformation from limited stealth capability into a broad, fleet-wide architecture. Instead of a handful of specialized jets, China is building a full ecosystem with training pipelines, integrated maintenance hubs, next-generation sensors, and operational doctrines designed around sustained stealth availability. The leap from experimental production to mass production fundamentally reshapes what these platforms can achieve, highlighting a new era where stealth technology is no longer rare but increasingly standardized across a growing air fleet. The J-20 and J-35 represent two distinct branches of China's advanced aviation strategy, each designed for different types of missions. Understanding what each platform brings reveals why China is investing so heavily in them, and why global analysts are paying close attention to updates from both programs. The J-20 is a high-end, long-range platform built around reach, altitude, and avionics integration. Reports indicate it can travel approximately 1,100 nautical miles on internal fuel, giving it the extended endurance needed for wide-area patrol routes and distant coverage zones. The aircraft's ceiling reportedly reaches around 65,000 feet, which provides favorable engagement geometry, better sensor horizons, and improved long-range detection capability. Its internal storage system holds multiple long-range missiles without compromising stealth, enabling it to remain low observable even while fully equipped. One key advancement is propulsion. Earlier batches relied on imported or transitional engines, but current reports confirm the use of the WS-10 series while newer variants begin to integrate the WS-15 an engine designed to improve acceleration and cruising efficiency. This shift to domestic engines allows China to upgrade performance more consistently. Equally important is the shift towards sensor fusion. The J-20 integrates radar, infrared search systems, electronic scanning, and data link networks into a single cockpit interface that provides pilots with a comprehensive picture from multiple angles. While the J-20 focuses on wide-area aviation roles, the J-35 is engineered for flexibility in maritime and multi-domain environments. Built with folding wings, strengthened landing gear, and compatibility with electromagnetic catapult systems, the J-35 is optimized for operations aboard carriers such as the Fujian. Its airframe is shaped to reduce radar signatures across a broad range of detection angles, enabling smoother approaches and coordinated activity alongside early warning aircraft. One standout feature is the J-35's integration into networked systems. Chinese research institutes describe the platform as capable of multi-domain coordination, meaning it can share target locations with land-based launch platforms, surface vessels, or other aircraft. This positions the J-35 not only as a standalone fighter, but also as a critical node connecting various branches of China's defense structure. A notable external development is interest from partners. Reports indicate that Pakistan is acquiring 41 units of the J-35A, marking a significant export milestone. This highlights a growing confidence in the aircraft's design maturity and suggests that more countries may eventually consider it as a lower-cost entry into fifth-generation capability. One major development arising from this is the scale of coordination required. Stealth jets are not isolated machines. They depend on early warning aircraft, ground stations, satellite support, carrier systems, integrated logistics, and specialized maintenance. When China grows its stealth fleet, it simultaneously expands these supporting layers. This leads to improved data fusion, smoother command networks, and broader sensor coverage, key elements of modern air power. Another implication is the emerging importance of reliability and sustainment. Producing large numbers of advanced aircraft is only meaningful if they can be maintained effectively. China's expansion of engine production and composite manufacturing indicates an effort to sustain high availability rates, which ensures that a significant portion of the fleet is ready at any moment for long-duration routing, maritime coordination, and high-altitude monitoring. China's rapidly expanding J-20 and J-35 programs mark a turning point in advanced aviation, reshaping expectations about stealth production and modern hardware capability. As these fleets grow, they influence global planning, technology development, and long-range readiness. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you there.